AMBO stock analysis next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. So just observing Ambow education holding stock. I'm seeing I mean, I saw a 54% increase in price. That's just Friday. And I'm not that intrigued. I mean, yes, I'm seeing how much this thing has actually put in the work. But I also have to like kind of keep in account all the previous, you know, performance and whatnot. Now, context, I've done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years and spent thousands of dollars on courses and mentorships. And specifically with AMBO, I'm still looking to take things higher. Like, we actually followed this quite fair. Like, came down, what's up, like tapped some demand areas. And then with this, I'm very open to buying, but obviously I'm not just gonna do it just to do it. Like, I would need to see my proper Wyckoff accumulation actually being present, and then I will take the thing up. In other words, I want to see my famous double break, right? So in the meantime, I'll just be waiting to see the price actually give me the rules. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and new way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.